What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the Diecast Dad. I want to take this brief moment to thank each and every one of you guys for tuning in to the channel. A few weeks ago, we did a showcase showcasing some carded dragsters that I had in the collection, kind of going through the archives, and I said I'd be doing a Gasser video, so this is the Gasser showcase. So let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm going to start off with is the Gasser 2023 set. We have the number 1 of 5, Tri-5 Terra in blue with the purple windows. Definitely a really sweet one. Then we have the Tri-5 Terra in yellow with the red glass. That's the variant. Then we have number 2 of 5. We have the 64 Nova Wagengasser. Supernova. Then we have the Walmart exclusive Zamac version. So I got it in this protector here. Then we got 3 of 5. We have the 62 Corvette Gasser with the Holly equipped livery. Definitely a nice one. Then we got the 62 Corvette Gasser Holly equipped Dollar General exclusive that you can also find at Kroger's. I did end up finding one of these with Diecast Boy Wonder in the wild at a Kroger's. So I'm sure if you have a Fred Meyers or a Kroger, you probably could have got one there. Definitely a nice one. I actually picked this one up at a flea market, but we did eventually end up finding one in the wild. It just wasn't at a Dollar General. Next up, we have number 4 of 5, the 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone. Now, there is a super treasure hunt variant of this. I do not have it. I had the chance to buy it, but I just didn't pull the trigger. So, almost have the complete set on that. And then we have 5 of 5, the Passing Gas Gasser. So, got the whole set and a few of the different exclusives. Just don't have that Cyclone treasure hunt, which is all right. Then we have the Volvo P1800 Gasser from the Hot Wheels Reverse Rakes series from 2024. Don't have the super treasure hunt of this one either, even though the paint job is definitely a lot better than what's on the main line. I really like that blue color on the treasure hunt, but happy to find this one. Definitely not a bad looking one. And we have the red Volvo P1800 Hot Wheels Dream Garage 2023 Legend Tour winner. Then also have the green variant as well. Then we have the reverse rake 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser and the orange, the collector. I've already done a showcase of these uncarded before. Then we have the maroon color variant. Then we got the Walmart exclusive Zamac. So if you guys want a better look at these, check out my 55 video from a couple months ago. I also show off a error that we found of this orange one. So I'll link that in the description if you guys are interested. You guys can check that out. go ahead and show the 62 Corvette Gasser Mad Mouse from the Hot Wheels Drag Strip series from 2022. Then we have the 2020 64 Nova Wagon Gasser Super Treasure Hunt. Go ahead and take it out of the protector. Definitely really awesome. Then we have a black Hot Wheels Showroom 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser 2013 edition. We have the 50th Favorites Big Deal, the I guess maroon with green. 55 Chevy Bel Air, Big Deal. Definitely a pretty awesome one. Then we have the Hoonigan 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Definitely a nice one. Hot Wheels Boulevards, number 11, 2020. So I also have that Volkswagen Baja Bug in one of my jammers. I really like that 66 Pontiac GTO though. But this is, I think, a color variant with like the engine. I'm not too sure if they all had like that black chrome or there were some that were chrome as well. But anyways, nice one to have in the collection. Definitely a pretty iconic car. So if you're a fan of Hoonigan, definitely a nice one. I know Hoonigan is gone now, but then we have the Hot Wheels Cool Classic 65 Mercury Comet Cyclone Spectrafrost. Really nice looking paint. Definitely a nice ride. Pretty good looking card on it. Then we have another premium Hot Wheels Redliners Bad Gasser. Definitely a really cool livery. Got the fish scales on there. Definitely really nice. I like that lettering on there too. Really nice looking tires. I wish Hot Wheels would do more like sponsored slicks and stuff with the lettering, but there's the rest that were in the set. I definitely think the 55 is probably the coolest one, but there's that one. Then we have the 55 Chevy Bel Air Heat Fleet Hot Wheels Workshop. Don't have the Zamac version of this, but it is definitely a nice one. This one's 2013. Then we got the 52nd anniversary 55 Chevy Bel Air. Definitely a pretty nice set. Got the Gas Monkey Corvette 32 Ford flatbed. I think the 32 Ford and the 55 probably the best ones. I guess Monkey's okay, but Next up, we have pretty much just 64 Nova wagons. So we got jerry-rigged. I know there's a gray variant of this. That's from 2019. I don't own it, but hopefully I'll be able to add it into the collection. But I got the blue one. Definitely a nice one. Then here is the regular of that Super. The 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, the Hot Wheels race team. So you can kind of see them right there. So definitely really nice. Then we have some really awesome ones. We have the 64 Nova Wagon Gassers with the Southeast Gassers on there for the livery. Definitely a really nice green one and the red one as well. Really like that green. Just some really nice looking wagons. Can't go wrong with that. Really awesome liveries with the Southeast Gassers. '17. Really nice. Then we have one big thing left. So the next one that we have is the Hot Wheels Call Culture Team Transports Hot Wheels Premiums Black Hole Set. Got the 66 Nova, the Retro Rig, the 55, and the Comet Cyclone. Definitely just a really cool box art. I love the drag strip in the background there. Definitely really nice. Oh, there's the stands. Oh, this is just a really cool piece. A little dusty, but sorry about the glare, but that's all we have for you when it comes to the carded gassers and stuff that I have in the collection. Stay tuned for more pulls from the archive. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for sitting around and hanging out with me and going through some of my stuff. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Y'all have a good one. See ya.